the screen because I'm in your way, then move because I'm in your way. So that's just the way it is. And feel free, there are a few extra chairs, or just simply move the chair to where you can see it. One of the things with log cabin that we can also do is put a lot of either color or fabric in a small area. And this 9x9 is one example of that, where the playing off the old 9 patch, and then in this case fairly low contrast. But look at what happens if the same, where you could play it with more contrast than this, but just subtle changes in one shade of green from one area to the other can make a nice impression because of the power of repetition. And that is one thing that's true throughout. The other thing is where, 150 years ago, women would have a dark side of the block and a light side of the block. But today what we can do is just simply have like a bright side and then a darker side or something. Or if you have fabrics that don't play well with others, let the entire half block be that particular fabric. And more you'll see this. Now let's look at taking that same 9x9 grid, and instead of playing, soft, low contrast, have high contrast. The same blocks, easy to piece. Square courthouse steps is probably one of the easiest of the log cabin blocks to piece. And it could be this is a wall hanging, but you could cut the strips a 1/4 inch larger and quickly have a bed quilt.